Hello. So I didn't plan to cook today, but I need food, and so I'm going to cook. I'm gonna make sauce with pepper, onions, chicken, and I have plantain that's like ripe. So I'm going to put those in the air fryer. I don't feel like I want to fry them because less oil is better, especially because why is this here? I'm not doing over my intro, but that's the purpose, or that's what we're gonna be doing in this unplanned video, because it don't always have to be planned, you know. I'm famous for ears because I like ears. I'm gonna be such a fun mom when I have kids. I need to get the chicken. Like my ears. It's still kind of frozen actually. This might actually be like a short video where like I quickly show you the procedure, but not the whole process of me cutting the chicken, because it's still kind of frozen, which isn't good. But once it's boiled, it will go down. So I think I'm gonna do that, then take it out and cut, because I have to get some pieces, and then I'm gonna bake it and put it in the pepper and onions, which I'm gonna use the sauce from it to make that stew, and plantains. And then I need to make something for my skin, but I think maybe I leave that one for tomorrow, because I like to create content while doing stuff for myself, but like people could also like get to enjoy it and try it out and see if it works for you. The thing I want to make for my skin is with shea butter, and because of the lighting, I use the natural light. Ooh, you see how beautiful it is outside? So because I use the natural light and the sun's going down, I'm going to do the other one when I get back from work tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the pepper. This is the chicken, so it's not frozen, but it still has ice, as you can see. I believe I'm gonna use both of this with this. I don't know if it's too much. Even if I don't use all, I use 1.5 with the chicken for the sauce. And then I'm going to use like 3 hot peppers because I want it to be at least a little bit spicy. I'm going to put like 3 onions in there. Ladies, if you didn't know, onions is so good for like your body, your skin. I love onions, raw onions, cooked onions. I could even eat an onion, like literally. I'm gonna do, you guys know that video with Carrie Hilson where she's eating the onion and the lemon together? I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do it just to see how it tastes. But anyways, how do we get there? Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna get the plantain. I have 3, and I'm gonna cook 3 of them. Normally, yeah. Making sauce, you make it with yam. Again, I'm not Nigerian, okay, at all. And I'm actually gonna start cooking a lot of like Caribbean food. It's just that like my ex is Nigerian. I have a brother who's half Nigerian, and so I just decided that I want to learn to cook their food because I like it. Like, I like the taste of, I'd say, Nigerian food, because I buy it from mainly Nigerian people. I eat from mainly Nigerian people. So yeah. I don't remember what I was saying before that, but yeah. is you supposed to make this with yam. I don't have yam, and if you're gonna make it with plantain, the plantain shouldn't be this ripe. It should at least be like half ripe. But we move. We're gonna use what we have to make what we're making. And yeah, I like these cooking videos. I like how cute I can look in my crop tops and stuff. I'm actually gonna order some more crop tops. I have like ears. I just can't find them right now. I work too much, and then I try to squeeze in my life. You know, I know a lot of women, at least on here, know what I'm talking about. But I'm gonna stop ranting now and get to the process because we're already at 6 minutes. I'm gonna try to make this a 10-minute video, but if there has to be a part 2, there'll be a part 2. Make sure you wash your hands, okay? Then I'm gonna boil my chicken with, actually I have to clean it a bit, take off some fat because there's, someone sent me a message. I wonder if I post my videos on YouTube, like if it will. I'm about to just be doing the most. But yeah, let me clean my chicken. Then I'm gonna put the peppers. I only have one big pot. I've never been like the one to cook a lot. Actually, in fact, the food I used to make the most, if anybody knows me from like my other TikTok, which I don't use anymore, but it is open, I was a salmon girl. Everything salmon and sweet potatoes, salmon and rice and corn. I might go back to eating a lot of fish again, but as for right now, I think it's because I haven't been going out to get it, actually, because I like fresh salmon, blah, blah, blah. And where I used to live, I could go get it. Sometimes you forget who you used to be, and you need to remember, because eating salmon like a lot was actually really good for my body, and like it makes you look different. Like if you don't know, the foods you eat make you look different. So yeah, I'm gonna start back eventually eating like a lot of salmon again, and just making these like once or twice a month, you know what I mean, because it's better for me, and I don't have to wait till I'm in my 60s. I could do this in my 20s, eat healthy and make it a habit, because I want to have kids soon, you know. I just looking for a husband. So if you're watching this, you should call me. I'm gonna wash, clean, and then show you guys the rest. There's gonna be a part 2, but yeah, the sun is pretty much down now, and the procedure is really just boiling the chicken with onions, as I've shown you guys in other videos, letting it cook, and then the peppers, and then yeah, I'm really just gonna show you guys what it looks like when I'm done, because I don't want to do a part 2. I'm just like, it's after 8 and I gotta go to bed soon, so I'm gonna speed it up. I decided I'm gonna use both of the peppers. I actually decided to just use 1.5. Now I'm gonna make this boil down. Once it boils down a bit, I'm gonna add 1 full onion to it, just like a small one, because I already put 2 in here. That's literally just onion and thyme and cooking down in the water. I never added any water to it. And then I'm gonna add 2 cubes and just a little bit of salt. And these bad boys, I think I'll do all 3 because I don't want them to spoil, are going in here. I just need to put some foil paper, cut it up some. Maybe I just use 2. I just don't want it to spoil. And this is my air fryer. I'll give you guys a quick view of what it looks like when I'm done, and that will be it. My air fryer is too small, so I have to add some to the stove. Beautiful, wonderful, juicy. We're gonna compare them. So these ones are actually from the air fryer. I mean, it kind of burns it pretty much, but it tastes good. I think better than fried, right? It's the same thing. If you ask me. And that's the sauce. It looks so delicious, doesn't it? And it tastes so delicious just the same.